Very simple, go into second, open arm. Ito siya, no? Like this gesture. Ang option mo niyan, pwede siyang ipatuloy. Kapag patuloy niya, tapos pwede yan siyang biglang. Tapos kung nandyan na siya, marami ka. Either you choose the head to come up, or you choose this to come up. Pero, andyan pa rin sa katawan, yun ang dyan kong ginagamit yung aking logic. Yun ang ibig sabihin sa the logic of movement. Because movement has its own vocabulary. So it has its own logic. Ina-apply ko yung aking mahilig kasi ko, that's not logical. Diyan ang aking gamit sa aking pinag-aralang philosophy and logic.
Ano pong example ng hindi logical na?
Give me something, and then freeze ka, and gigo anay tayo. Albert tayo. Exaggeration. But yung gano'n, nasa liwa siya. It can be simpler than that, but that was a very, malayo para makita na there are some movements that are really illogical. Like, I was watching the other day, na sila, movement nila, tapos bigla na lang, nag-cartwheel. Yung ano, so it doesn't have logic.